Listen and repeat.
Conversation. Conversation 1. I am hungry. I am hungry.
Hi Sarah, how are you?
Fine, how are you doing?
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kind of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't, but I like pizza. Conversation 2.
Do you want to eat or drink? Do you want to eat or drink? Ollie, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay. I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass, or a big one?
Small please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Conversation 3.
A conversation between two people about great food.
How do you like the food?
It tastes really great. Did you cook it?
Yes. I made it this afternoon. Would you like some more?
Okay, just a little though. I'm really full.
Oh. Would you like some soup instead?
What kind is it?
Tomato and rice. Have you had that before?
No. This is my first time. How does it taste?
It's good, try it. What do you think?
Wow. It is good. Did you make that also?
Yes. Thanks, next time I'll make chicken soup for us.
That sounds good. Did you study cooking in school?
No, I learned by myself. I have a good cookbook that I read when I have time.
Conversation 4.
Conversation between two people about cooking. Ahmed, do you know how to cook? Yes, I can cook very well. What can you cook?
I can cook rice with meat. I can also cook eggs.
Excellent. What about you, Ollie? Are you good at cooking? Honestly, I can't cook, but I can say that I can fry potatoes in oil. You are really amazing, Ollie. Thank you.